In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create content from your phone using AI in just 1 minute. No editing skills or complicated software required. Let's jump right in. Open your mobile browser on your phone and go to Bith.ai. Once you're signed in, click on the AI Video Gen button. This will take you to the screen where you can start creating your video. So from here, what we're going to do is input a topic, and let's go with tell me about Jordan. This is a Jordanian company, and it's the topic that I like to use for these videos. So we're going to select English as our language. Our video duration, we want 1 minute. We want it in portrait mode, 9:16. We're going to leave it as educational and tone of voice normal, but you can change those if you want. We are going to add background music, and we are going to have motion effects. If you would like, you can paste in a script, but we're going to go ahead and have it generate our script for us. Let's go down and click next. Here we'll choose a voice. I'm just going to go ahead and go with 80s. And then we're going to choose... Let's go with photorealistic. We're going to click generate script. Yes, I want to proceed. And now it's generating our script. In just a moment, we'll be able to review the script and modify it if we so choose. All right, so we've got our script here. We're just going to leave the script exactly how it is. We're going to click generate, and it's going to create our video. All right, we've got our video just under 1 minute long. We can upload new images if we want. You just tap the image that you want to change. You can change the animation type, zoom none, zoom in, or zoom out. Let's check our subtitles. Here we can modify our subtitles, the whole script, and we can change our text settings. So we can change the font. I'm going to go with quicksand, and then leave them centered, leave them drop caps as they are. Text stroke is fine. Let's change the color of it. Let's go with green, and settings here. We can remove the animations, remove the subtitles, or remove the background music, but we're going to leave all of it exactly how it is, and we're good. Let's click on export, and now it is generating the video. In just a moment, it'll be done. That only took 60 seconds of action from us, and now we just wait on the AI to do the rest, and we're going to end up with a fantastic video. While your video is processing, you can click back to studio. From here on the homepage of the studio, you can view the current video and past videos, or you can make another video, generate an image, or generate a voiceover. We've got our video. Preview the video now. See how awesome this video is.
Have you ever wondered what makes Jordan a captivating destination? This Middle Eastern gem is home to one of the new 7 wonders of the world and boasts a rich tapestry of history. Join us as we delve into Jordan's unique fusion of ancient and modern cultures. Petra, the enchanting rose-red city, is an absolute must-see. Meanwhile, Amman, the bustling capital, offers vibrant markets and historic landmarks. Experience the Dead Sea's unparalleled floating sensation. Jordan's cuisine is a culinary delight, featuring dishes like mansaf and falafel.
Fantastic. The images are just incredible. Can't believe they're generated by AI. I almost felt like I was back there, and I really want to go back. From here, you can download the video and upload it wherever you want. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Rumble, OnlyFans. I don't know. Wherever you upload videos to. I would start with YouTube probably. That's a good bet. All right, so that's it. It's super easy and simple to use Bith.ai right from your phone. You don't need any editing or script writing skills, just a good idea, and this tool is going to do all the rest for you. Content creation's honestly never been this easy. So many creators are already using this to automate their content and seeing amazing results. If you want to know the easiest and most successful video ideas to create with AI, then go ahead and watch this video where I give you the 10 most in-demand topics for AI content creators. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your content with AI.